Hello everyone, today we are making chocolate fudge cake. To make an ultra moist chocolate fudge cake, for best result, use exact measurements as shown in the video. First mix dry ingredients in a large bowl, add sugar, shift together flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Mix nicely. Now add wet ingredients: vegetable oil, eggs, whisk on medium-low speed. Now add milk and whisk. Now take a cup, add 1 teaspoon instant coffee. In that add hot water. Mix nicely. Now pour gradually our hot coffee, vanilla extract in the batter. Whisk on medium-low speed until a smooth batter forms. The batter will become thin. Baking time is 1 hour. 175 degrees preheat for 10 minutes. I took big vessel. If you are taking 2 vessels means it will take half an hour. Now our fudge cake is ready. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, we prepare for frosting. In a bowl, add chocolate, fresh cream, butter. Heat for 30 seconds in an oven and mix nicely. Demold our cake. Pour our chocolate syrup luxuriously. On the top, add chocolate flakes. refrigerate in 30 minutes. Enjoy our fudge cake. Now we are eating.